In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity to create a presentation outline and turn it into slides in just a few minutes. This is a simple workflow that can save a lot of time, especially if you want a quick starting point for a class presentation, a work update, or any topic you need to explain clearly. The idea is to first use Perplexity to generate a structured outline, then review and improve that outline, and finally move it into a presentation tool that can automatically build the slides for you. To begin, open Perplexity and type a prompt that clearly tells it what kind of presentation you want. A useful format is outline a 5-slide presentation on your topic, including bullet points and slide titles. Replace the topic with whatever subject you need. This prompt works well because it gives Perplexity a clear structure to follow. Instead of asking for general information, you're asking for something organized and presentation ready, which makes the result much more useful right away. Once Perplexity generates the outline, take a moment to review it carefully. This part is important because AI can give you a strong draft, but the best results usually come from a little human editing. Read through the slide titles and bullet points to make sure they match your goal, your audience, and the level of detail you want. If something sounds too broad, unclear, or repetitive, refine it. You can adjust wording, remove anything unnecessary, and make the flow feel more logical from one slide to the next. After that, copy the final version of the outline. Make sure you're copying the cleaned up version, not just the first draft. This helps the next tool generate better looking and more accurate slides. Now move to your presentation platform of choice. You can use tools like Canva, Gamma App, or PowerPoint if they offer AI import or text-to-presentation features. Paste the outline into the import area and let the tool generate the slides instantly. In most cases, it will automatically turn your slide titles into headings and your bullet points into content blocks, which gives you a strong first version of the deck. From there, you can continue customizing the design, visuals, and layout inside the presentation tool. But the main time-saving part is already done. Perplexity helped you create the structure, and the presentation tool transformed that structure into slides. That's the full process. Use Perplexity for the outline, refine the content, and then import it into a slide generator to build your presentation faster and more efficiently.